Hey guys, here's our cute Ella. Look at her. She's staring at me. She's still 22 years, 22 days old. But look at her. She's so big right now. She's so beautiful. Possible with collie markings. Look at her. Her beauty. She's just staring at me.